Well, here they are at 2.5 weeks old, and we bought a new tub that was twice the size of that box that we had them in. The third box we put them in, and they're filling it up pretty good already. But hopefully this will last for a little while. So here's the newest update on the puppies when they're growing like weeds. Their first taste of food. They're over here. Yeah, I think they're old enough. They are. I'm going to have to get the rest of it. They're eating all that.
Wow. That one doesn't know about it.
This one's more.
I saw that one's going to ask, are they eating already?
This is their first time.
First time. The black ones yet? Or?
No, these are, I put this in the soften this morning. That big one's like holding it down. He's like, wait, get out of my way. The other two are still asleep. I figured I'd let 3 of them fight over it. Yeah, I think they're old enough that they're eating. Here's the other two. So yeah, I think they're gonna take to eating just fine. That is puppy food softened with warm goat milk, so it gets soft. Didn't even have to put them in their mouth. It's just eating all really fast. We'll see if the other 3 take to it that fast. Rod just pointed out we're going to have to get the puppy bowl out. I think I'll use that tomorrow. I didn't think they'd eat this much the first time. Where are you going? You gotta go over to the plate. No. Yeah, I think they'll be ready for the bowl tomorrow. And there's the other 3. They're eating really good too. Didn't even have to put it in their mouth or anything. They just smelled it and started in on it. Okay, we're going to try their new food bowl for their second meal since they ate so much yesterday. Yep. I'm thinking that's going to work. Yeah, I think that bowl's going to work. But definitely good. We got 2 of them. I thought you got to go in the bowl. Where are you going? Are you full already? This one keeps going on to the floor.
2 of them may not eat.
Yeah.
Because they ate.
Well, 4 of them are eating. This other one isn't too interested. But I think, is the brown one? Look, you want to go see?
Come here, puppy.
Come on, baby. Oh, he's growling. He's mad now.
He is.
Yes. Come on.
This
There.
one's shaking. Let me at it.
There. No, it's over here. Their first time. These guys are still sacked out.
I want to change their towel.
Yep. That's why I got the other towel.
For once, that wasn't the princess screaming.
Yeah. Of course, now that I have the camera on them, they're not going to play. Sometimes it's just playtime. It's a heck of a dream. Well, there's the puppies. They get to stay with her all night now. There's Naomi. Hi, Naomi. Stay in there. The puppies are ready to come in the house. They get to stay for 9.5 hours last night. Yeah, gonna be more pretty soon. There is no one going to sleep in there at all. They are playing. They can't wait to go outside and play. So much for the big tub that we bought. They're filling it up pretty good. They're about 3.5 weeks old now. And they know how to bark. Well, thanks for watching. I'll be updating you soon. They're growing like weeds. There she is. Is that good? Is that good? Yeah, Merry Christmas, huh? Oh, now who would have thought Princess would be the one that was doing it?